I will discuss about embryo. I have told that from where and how a embryo formed. Okay, from where microfilar end. Microfilar end means in a zygote part. Always remember zygote divided. Okay, when some endosperm cell are formed. First stage, certain amount of endosperm formed and then zygote divided. It is very important because zygote gets his nutrition from endosperm. Embryo development is known as embryogeny. Okay, embryo development is known as embryogeny. This embryogeny development is same. This embryogeny is same in both monocotyledon and dicotyledon part. Okay, that's mean dicotyledon plant. Embryo formation. Then I have seen a structure, such kinds of structure. Okay, and from here we get this structure. That's mean I have shown this structure, and the last this is dicotyledon embryo. Okay, dicotyledon embryo formation, and in mature we can get this kind of structure. This is globular. Okay, this is globular heart shape and mature structure. Now I will see you the structure of dicotyledon embryo. This is a typical dicotyledon. In this typical dicotyledon, a axis present. Okay, embryonal axis is present, and two cotyledon, 1 and 2 cotyledon present. This is 1 and 2 cotyledon are present. I have told about embryonal axis. In this place, if we in this way, this is an embryonal axis. Embryonal axis above part is known as epicotyles. Okay, this is C. Epicotyles. Always remember, if it is embryonal axis, this above part, embryonal axis, and this above part is known as epicotyles, and embryonal axis end part, from if start from here and this finish here after epicotyles. Okay, after epicotyles, this finishing part or last end, this last end. Okay, this is after epicotyles. This terminate portion is known as plumula. Plumula or stem tip I have told about these two cotyledon, and here we can find a cotyledon. Okay, we can find a cylindrical cotyledon, which is known as hypocotyles. hypocotyls. From in hypocotyls lower end. Okay, first I have told cotyledon axis, upper end is plumula or stem tips, and the lower ends, this whole part is known as hypocotyls. Okay, this is also cotyledon, but a cylindrical cotyledon is known as hypocotyls. Okay, hypocotyls lower end is known as radical. Hypocotyls lower end is known as radical. or root tips, and the last part, this root tips or radical is covered. Root tip or radical is covered is some such kinds of structure, like such kinds of structure we can find on radical part. Okay, this is known as root cap. Root cap you stay on the root tip. Okay, this is root tip or radical, and lower end on radical and a root tip is present root cap. This is very simple. So what we get? A dicotyledon embryo, we get two cotyledon when this cotyledon is a cylindrical one. This is known as hypocotyls. Okay, and in axis upper part is known as epicotyls. Okay, this is hypocotyls in axis upper part is epicotyls, and epicotyls end, that's mean hypocotyls upper end is plumula or stem tips, and lower end is known as radical and root tips, and root tips is covered some such kinds of structure is known as root cap. I have told about dicotyledon embryo. Now I will tell you monocotyledon embryo. This is embryo of a grass or a monocotyledon embryo. Okay, in a embryo of a grass, only one cotyledon is present. This is known as scutellum. This is known as scutellum. This scutellum always present in one side of a axis of embryo. Okay, in a monocot embryo, axis is from here to here. This is full axis. Okay, this is axis, and we can see that scutellum is on side or lateral part. Okay, lower end the embryonal axis. Lower end of the embryonal axis has radical and a root cap. Okay, radical and root cap. This is radical. I have told about axis and lower part. This is lower part is known as radical. And radical part, this these kinds of structure. Okay, at lower end on radical part, lower end on radical part is present root cap. Root cap. Here try to understand this radical part and root cap. Okay, this radical part and root cap so close. Okay, so close. This radical part and root cap enclosed by an undifferentiated sheet. Okay, this is very near with a undifferentiated sheet. This is known as coleorhiza, this part. Okay, coleorhiza. This is a sheet which helps radical and root cap to near. Okay, so that they can present with each others. Coleorhiza helps. See the structure carefully. Okay, this monocots embryo lateral part. Okay, lateral one-sided part is known as scrutellum and axis. This is axis and this is scrutellum, another part. That's mean lateral part. From here, this upper whole part is known as epicotyles. Okay, this upper part which helps here scrutellum part and axis upper part fused here. Okay, this place embryonal axis, this place fused with scrutellum. This place is known as epicotyles. This place is known as epicotyles. That's mean this above part. Okay, axis above part fused with scrutellum part. That's mean lateral part. This part is known as epicotyles. Okay, in epicotyles shoot apex is present. Okay, shoot apex. This is shoot apex. Shoot apex present in epicotyles. With this shoot apex, leaf primordial structure. Okay, this is leaf primordial structure present, which is known as coleptyles. Leaf primordial structure. Here see this place, leaf primordial structure is known as coleptyles. So what we get, embryo of a grass. Okay, this is axis and this is lateral part is known as scrutellum. Okay, whole part is cotyledon, but in monocots. In monocots, this this cotyledon is called scrutellum, and this part is also cotyledon, but another names takes here. Okay, uh, this axis, this axis, that means upper part of the axis fused with scrutellum is known as epicotyles. This part, and here shoot apex present, and a leaf-like structure we can see. This is known as coleoptiles. In axis lower end we can see radical, then root cap, and a sheet can we find between radical and root caps helps to stay together. This is coleorhiza, because a sheet helps they stay together, so that they stay together. This is coleorhiza. Okay, this is embryo of a grasses or a monocot embryo. If you have any doubt, you can see this structure. Okay, this is lateral part, upper part. Okay, coleoptiles, leaf-like structure, shoot apex, epiblast, radical part, root cap, coleorhiza. This is epiblast. This kinds of structure is known as epiblast.